Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to place different component in Revit. Okay, so let's start. So here suppose already we have created the plan and we have placed the door, window, everything. Now here suppose inside this bedroom I want to place the bed or different component, table, chair or many other components are there, dining table. Okay, so you can place it. So suppose in this bedroom only I want to place the bed. So if you want to place the component, so what you have to do, in architecture tab build panel, here you will get the option component. So from here you have to select the place a component. You can use the shortcut also, hit on that. So when you hit in properties palette, you can see, hit on this drop down list. Here some of the component is given, like desk is given here, parking space, some trees is given, support, termination, picture frame. Okay, this component is given, but I want to place the bed here, but bed is not given here. So for that, what you have to do, you have to load that bed from the Revit library. Okay, so how to load? See all of you, architecture tab build panel component, hit on place a component. From here you have to hit on load family, and same thing in Revit library you have to hit on English Imperial. Then from here, see the furniture option is given, hit on that furniture. You want to place the bed, so from here you have to select the bed. Different types of bed is available, bed box, bed bunk, bed hospital bed, everything is given. But then also you want some other types. So for that now we have a different website. Okay, so from here, like for example BIM object evo, when you open that website you can download the family from their website. Okay, so different family you can download, BIM evo, okay, BIM object evo, BIM city is also there. So from that website you can just download the family as per your requirement. But in Revit library they have given this type only. So suppose I'm taking this one, I want this type of bed, this one or whatever you want, just select it, open. Now place it where you want to place. So I want to place it here. Different, you can see the dimension is also given, double, king dimension, okay, queen, twin. So twin also is available, so as per that. So double bed I have selected and then place it here. Suppose in the midpoint of this room, bedroom, I have placed the same way here also. I want, this is also a bedroom only, so where you want you can place it. Okay, in this bedroom I want to place, so just place it. But just press the escape key to come back. I want to rotate this door because this I want here. Okay, so when you select move with nearby element, so okay, if you want to rotate, so we have an option, because here flip option is not given I think anywhere. So what you can do, press the space bar. If you want to rotate, the first option is what, you can press the select that bed, press the space bar from the keyboard. Okay, see automatically bed will rotate. Otherwise you can use the rotate command also. So here just I have selected, then move it where you want. I want to place it here, just place it. In this way you can see in this 3D view also it is not visible. So if you want to see, just I am removing the this one wall to show you the bed. See this type of bed we have placed in the room. Getting? Now come here again. Suppose in kitchen if you want to place anything, okay, so you can place it in this toilet area. I want to place water closet and everything, so okay, that option is also available. So see, I will show you in component you have to load it that all. Okay, so hit on load family, go back from here. Now if you want to uh, in storage you will get different dresser room, okay, entertainment center, everything is given. You can load different desk from here. Okay, see the different types of desk is available here, load it if you want to use. Okay, now sorry, from sitting chair you can download load the chair, sofa. If you want, you can load it from here. Okay, different option is given here. So from here you can go back now. So this is our, from the furniture you can download, you can load any of the furniture. If you want to load some other type, suppose I want to load the dining tables. Okay, in furniture also hit on table. Here you will get the dining table, this type of dining table. Open it and load it. See, suppose here I want to place the dining table here. So different dining table is available. I have selected 30-inch diameter dining table, that is why only 4 table is shown. If you are selecting 16, so here you will get these 6 tables. Okay, but we do not have that much of space. So suppose I'm just for your understanding purpose, I have placed here how the dining table looks. You can see in 3D it will look like this. Okay, so as per your requirement you can place any of the component. And suppose some of component is also not available in Revit also, library, so you have to download that family from BIM object evo, from BIM city. Okay, as I told you. So suppose here hit on load family, water closet I want to see here. So see under English interior plumbing, architectural, fixtures, bathtub is also available. Okay, shower. So I want water closet. Which type of water closet you want as per your requirement? Commercial, wall, 3D, this also, domestic, 2D. So I want this one, toilet domestic. Open it and place it where you want. So I want to place it here. So just rotate it first. So how to rotate? Already I have shown you with the help of space bar. So where you want to place? I want to place it here. Okay, you can place it like this. Okay, already we have given the window here, but that window is not visible. See, we have placed the window, but window is not visible here. You can move it, select the window and move it. So I think the problem is what? View range problem. Okay, so you have to increase the, if you want to see the window, see at what height we have placed, 6 feet. Okay, when you open the view range VR, so see it is 7 feet. So now I'm increasing 9 feet, sorry, cut plane. Okay, 7 feet, increase the cut plane 7, apply. Okay, now I think it is visible in floor plan also. Okay, because seal height we have taken 6 feet, na? Can move it exact here I want. Okay, same way if you want to place some kitchen, stove and everything, you can place it from the library. Okay, so in this way we have to place different component in Revit. So I hope all of you enjoy this session.